Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I just want to create a short video on MAG plugins I use. These are the shortest way to do walls and windows and doors or railings or other stuffs. Just want to show the four I told you: wall, railing, window, door. So let's jump into it. Before I show how to install them, I just show the procedure of making a bedroom. So MAG, I want to go with MAG wall. That is width of make the width 6 inch, then the height to 114. Draw the wall, click, and if you want to lock the interface to any axis, just uh, uh, pick the right arrow to do that. So I just want to type 12 feet, then okay, just I want to type it 16 feet, enter, and then click it here, double click it. So there is the wall here. Just if you just want to change the texture, just go pick the color picker. Sorry, what is the sample paint? Okay, color picker in other applications. Okay, fine. Then I want to create a window over here. So I just type the just upper arrow and then type 1.5 feet, enter, and do it like this. I go to extension, then MAG window, draw it, click and make it like this. Okay, on the face. Okay, that is the measurement here you can find. If you want to give the measurement, just click it over here and type it 5 feet. Okay, 5 feet. Okay, so just have to pick the first point, then type it 5 feet. 5 feet. Okay, fine. We have the window, not right properly aligned, but it's okay. Okay, fine. Want to go to the door, draw the door. So pick the wall first, then click it over here and type it 10 feet, enter. So there is a door. Just create a floor by clicking over here and here, and just click it over here and here, and just hide it to add furniture or some objects like this. There is a gap, don't bother about it. Now I will show how to install the extension. Here we are with the extension MAG window. We just typed the MAG door and got it from here and download it. Just downloaded. You just have to log in with your Gmail account or something else. Okay, done. You get the door. The process is very similar to every of them. Go to Extension Manager, install extension. You can install it over and over. If you want, just click it and open it. It is installed. You will find it here in the extension library, extension menu. Okay, then you can work. There is another other features like MAG steer or something like that, but that will be covered later on. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.